kilos ay nagbago. Pipilitin pa ba o kusang lalayo sa puso mong nalalabo? Ang dating alam, panaginip na lang, mga sana'y di mabilang. Hinahanap-hanap, tamis ng nakaraan, ba't tinatalikuran? Ako ay litong-lito, saan ba ito patungo? Di ko na alam kung dapat bang ihinto. Di alam ang sasabihin, di alam ang aking gagawin.
James, can we talk? What's there left to say? Nakita ko ang lahat. I know you did. And I'm sorry. Hindi ko naman sinasadya. I never meant to hurt you. How can you do this to me? I thought there was something real. Kala ko tayo na. We do have something real. Pero Ethan, natatakot din kasi ako. Hindi lang tayo magkumpare. Minamahal na kita. Anong pinagsasabi mo? Nagloloko ka ba? Ito naman talaga ang totoo eh. Simula pa lang nun, mahal na kita. Hindi, alam ko, ako may kasalanan. Pero sana bigyan mo pa rin ako ng chance. Hindi ko maintindihan. Anong pinagsasabi mo? I know. I'll spend the rest of my life para lang magmakaawa sa'yo at gawin ang tama. Okay James, tignan na natin to.
What's wrong? What do you mean? Where's this coming from?
I'm sorry with James. Several times this week. And people are getting the wrong idea.
You know, I won't believe you, right? And James, it's nothing to me. How can I entertain other guys when you're the only one on my eyes?
I don't believe you anymore. You only love me when no one's around.
That's not true! Okay, fine. I'll do better. Kim's calling me. I have to take this call.
I hate having it like this.
Yeah, me too. But we have to be careful. You know how this school works.
Pero parang, di naman fair yun eh. Bakit kailangan natin itago kung sino tayo?
I wish things were different. Maglilo muna tayo.
Hello.
Please tell me, are you with Aya? We were supposed to meet an hour ago. You know, stopping in for her luggage and all.
Luggage? For what?
Di ba she's moving to Singapore?
Teka, ano? Singapore? Wala naman siyang sinasabi na ganun sa akin.
Wasn't he supposed to say that? Oh my god. I am so sorry.
Kim, what's going on?
My boyfriend is calling. Talk to you later. Bye-bye!
Hello, Kim? Kim?
What's taking so long?
Hindi ka ba sinasabi?
Huh? Ano sasabi mo?
The luggage. Yung pag-alis, Singapore.
Sino nagsabi sa'yo?
Si Kim. Lahat sinabi na niya sa akin. Alam ko na. Aalis ka na.
Ano bang point? Ayaw naman ipaglaban kung ano meron tayo. Nalaman na din ng parents.
Sa tingin mo ba? Hindi madali sa akin yun. Sa tingin mo ba sobrang hirap na nahihirapan na ako?
Tama na. Huwag na natin ilaban to.
Ayoko. Please, huwag mo akong iwan. Hindi ko naman ginusto na magtago. Sa tingin ng lahat, mali. Mali itong ginagawa natin.
Willing ka bang ipaglaban kung ano meron tayo?
ka. I can't do this anymore. Ayoko na lagi na lang tayo nagtatago. I know, we have to. But if anyone finds out about us... Hindi. Wala na akong pake kung magkamali yan. Gusto naman natin ang isa't isa, di ba? Alam ko, pero... hindi na tama yung ginagawa natin. Wala akong pake sa kung ano sino nangyari. Kahit tutuloy school, tuloy natin ito. Hayaan natin sila.
Miss, may question po kami sa last Which one? The potential in LGBT? Yes. The one that I discussed is the different religion. We have different beliefs about LGBT individuals. Kasi dun sa iba, yung teaching, ano nila, teaching ways is more emphasizing love, acceptance, and compassion for all people regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity. Kasi yung iba ay mas conservative individual. Excuse me. So for you personally, what do you think about same-sex relationship? Personally, you know, I do really support that kind of relationship. Yet, yun nga, sa school natin, hindi ganun kalaganap yung pagtanggap sa mga individual na may ganung klaseng relasyon. So,
We have something to say. We're in love, and we shouldn't have to hide it.
but this is against the school policy.
No, this is not right. Everyone should love each other for who they are and what they want.
I agree.
But we love each other.
Di mapinta ang nagdarama. Kahit nalitong-lito sa iyo pa rin tutungo. Di man sigurado, di pa rin hihinto. Isa lang ang sasabihin, isa lang ang aking gagawin. Muli kitang kikilalanin, minamahal kong estranghero.